See, I don't blame the rate at which people used to join prayers in Lagos. If you're in Lagos and you need something divine to move you forward in life. That's why, and it's because the pressure is mad in Lagos, averagely. People are not really okay. The pressure will nearly run you mad. I'm not making it up. Do you know that neuropsychiatric home, the institution said that, Google it, 4 out of 7 people in Lagos have poor mental health. Poor mental health is another way of saying 4 out of 7 people in Lagos are are mad. Sorry, slip of tongue, sorry. 4 out of 7 people are not okay. Do you know how mad that statistics is? 4 out of 7. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We know who's not okay now. Wait a minute. I'm just joking, please. Let me tell you joke. Is that your tap? 4 out of 7 is a mad statistics. That's why you see the pressure in Lagos is a stupid thing. Back to back. Do you know that the average Lagosian does not know how to enjoy themselves? That's why if Lagosian is stressed up in Lagos now and you want to loosen up, you will see somebody. Have you not seen? I saw one guy that was trying to loosen up. The guy went to bar and was smoking shisha. This one that's having mental problem. He was smoking shisha, puffing out the thing like mini dragon. The guy was. And I told the guy, Baba, be careful, no ruin yourself. The guy said, leave and Jerry. I just want to clear my head. My head don't fool. As per your head na container, or I don't understand. Or your head na bush. You want to clear your head. So Nigerians and Lagosians in particular would rather have lung problem than suffer depression mentally. Let me now tell you, there's a good way for you to solve your mental problems. First of all, make sure that you do your best to have fun every time. That's why you come outside for comedy shows. 1. Secondly, this is what they suggested, though, not me or neuropsychiatric home. Said another way to cure your mental problem. Sorry, I'm pointing to you. Another way to cure your mental problem is to try to meditate. And meditation comes in different forms, like yoga. Now, I know that when they say yoga, Lagosians don't know any yoga. The only is Ashake song they know. I did on my way. Yoga is real. One place in Alagomeji, they took me there. They said that yoga is where you meditate and be free so that you don't have the mental problems of life. I went to that place and everybody there, first of all, they are smoking Igbo in yoga center. They are smoking Igbo. In that place, everybody there is just sounding sexual. I'm not kidding. If you go to yoga classes, you just be hearing rubbish. You'll be hearing things like this. Yes, guys. Because the instructor, ladies have gone there now. The instructor will be in front. They will sit down on top mats. Yes, guys, yes. Let it penetrate your soul. Let it go in slowly. Don't fight it. Go slowly into your body. Yes, it's soft and nice. I'm like, I don't understand. Yeah, let it go. Yeah. Put it in. Suck it in. Suck it in. I heard one. They were like, stretch your buttocks. Let your anus connect with the earth. I swear, I was already doing it though. I was already stretching. Wait. Let my anus connect. Derele, is that you? I'm sorry, if you have a child here, take that child away. Because after my performance, that child will be old enough. Did I say old enough just now? Yeah, the child will be old enough to vote. You become 18 years old. I'm sorry, I can hear your gossip. It's not everything you people be saying when comedians are up on stage. Which one is, I don't sleep with that guy, I use condom. Bro. Thank you. You were done. I want to say a few things just before I excuse you people. Yeah, who cares about you? Do you have money to pay me? I love you too, girl. I'll sleep. The last time you gave me infection. I'm so sorry. I warned you guys. By the way, talking about infections, why are sinners always sending us NSPPD prayer every morning? What God cannot do? Just sinners, people that, if you don't know NSPPD, let me tell you, NSPPD is a daily devotional prayer for Christians. They are ready to say, share the link, share it, share the link. Around 7:30 a.m., somebody will share you the link of NSPPD prayer. Around 12, the person will still post on their WhatsApp saying, Igbo the hungry me. Which God are you trying to deceive like this? Do you know when I joined NSPPD one time, and for the first time I started to value my life. If you join NSPPD, let me tell you guys, the kind of prayers you'll be hearing people pray in that place. The problems that people are going through, you are enjoying, oh. You that your biggest problem now is erectile dysfunction. You. In that place, people are praying for real problems. You be hearing weird things. That's why I know that Pastor Jerry is telling the truth. You be hearing things like this. Prayer, if you join it, you know what I'm talking about. There is somebody here. There is somebody here. You're having jaundice of the brain. Jaundice of the brain. I'm like, wait, jaundice of the... Some of us, first of all, we don't even have brain. So where did you see jaundice? Do you know I went to Google this thing? Jaundice of the brain. I realized that it's a problem that affects the brain. Like they call it connecteros or something. It is a real problem. You'll be hearing some strange stuff. Tuberculosis of the liver. I'm not kidding. Ask doctors. You can even Google it. But only that you cannot spell tuberculosis, but Google will help you. Tuberculosis of the liver. And I checked it and I realized that this is a real problem. But there are some prayers. There are some prayers that Pastor Jerry used to pray in that place that some of you people cannot join. Because after they pray, they'll tell you, put it on the live stream. Put it on the live stream. If you're online, you should type it there, the one with the problem. I heard one prayer one time. It was like, there is a man here. I see you. Your manhood is not standing straight. Your manhood. Put it on the live stream. I can bet you that man was looking at the pastor saying, you. If God wants to help me, he will not shame me. You hear me? Which one will say put it on the live stream? I should not carry my own problem and put. I'd rather drink cocoa samba and lime. That's excited you, unemployed guy. I'm M.O.P Godwin.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.